I'm Burak Akıncı with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now in the Turkish resort town of Belek. The second edition of the Antalya Diplomatic Forum kicked off today in the small resort town with the participation of several heads of state and representatives from dozens of countries with a focus on the Ukrainian crisis. In his inaugural speech, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said his country must strive for a world of peace, not war, and that the Antalya Forum has begun to achieve this purpose by establishing direct contacts between the foreign ministers of Ukraine and Russia. He was referring to the face-to-face meeting held yesterday on the sidelines of the forum between Sergei Lavrov and Dmytro Kuleba. The talks took place with the presence of Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Çavuşoğlu and were the first of its kind since Moscow launched its special military operation in Ukraine on February 24th. Erdogan said, new global security structure must be formed to protect peace instead of status quo and serve all humanity. He said, to all our friends watching, I am saying we have to create a world of peace, not a world of war. Fire should not be the solution. Erdogan said that his country, who has close ties with both Russia and Ukraine, will continue to push for peace between its Black Sea neighbors. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg also attended the first day of the forum and met with Turkish officials. In his remarks to the media at the forum, Stoltenberg said that NATO must not allow Russia's military operation of Ukraine to spill over into a war between the alliance and Moscow.